Imagine standing on the edge of the world where the cobalt blue waves of the Tyrrhenian Sea dance against a rugged coastline painted in hues of green and gold. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a place where mystery and beauty are intertwined like the twisted roads that snake their way along the cliffside. This is a land of hidden treasures, secluded beaches that are waiting to be unveiled by the intrepid traveler. These secret stretches of sand, tucked away from the tourist hustle, beckon you to explore the unexplored, to discover a new story within the folds of their golden embrace. The Amalfi Coast is a place that has captured the hearts of artists, writers, and poets for centuries. Its timeless beauty, its rugged charm, and its alluring mystery have inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. It is a place where time stands still, where ancient architecture blends seamlessly with modern luxury, and where the scent of lemon groves perfumes the air. But above all, it is a place that has captured the hearts of travelers from around the world who come to indulge in its natural wonders and bask in the warm embrace of its people. The Amalfi Coast is not just a destination, it is an experience. From the bustling streets of Positano to the tranquil village of Ravello, every corner of this region has a story to tell, a secret to reveal, and a memory to create. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply an escape from the mundane, the Amalfi Coast offers something for everyone. Among the hidden gems nestled in the Amalfi Coast, Furore and Atrani stand apart. Furore, often referred to as town that doesn't exist, is more a clandestine chasm than a traditional beach. It's named after the Furore of the sea waves. Its charm lies in its paradoxical existence, the hidden fjord that seems to materialize as if by magic beneath towering cliffs. Its cerulean waters, secluded and peaceful, offer an undisturbed communion with nature. Strain, on the other hand, is a spectacle of a different kind. It's the smallest town in Italy, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in cultural richness. A maze of winding alleys and arches, it offers an authentic taste of traditional Italian coastal life. Its beach, with crystalline waters lapping the golden sands, is framed by pastel houses that seem to tumble haphazardly down the hillside. Amidst the modern world's chaos, Atrani offers a glimpse into a simpler past, its every stone whispering stories of an age-old culture. The allure of Furore and Atrani lies not merely in their physical beauty, but in the historical and cultural narratives they encapsulate. With every wave that kisses the shore, they narrate tales of the past, inviting you to become a part of their timeless journey. For those in search of excitement and adventure, Furore and Atrani harbor a range of thrilling activities. The wild, unspoiled beauty of Furore offers an ideal setting for cliff diving and snorkeling, allowing brave hearts to immerse themselves, quite literally, in nature's magnificence. Atrani, with its gentle waves and clear waters, is perfect for a laid-back swim or a fun-filled afternoon of paddleboarding. For visitors seeking solace and relaxation, these secret stretches of the Amalfi Coast provide an unrivaled sanctuary. The deafening silence of Furore, interrupted only by the harmonious symphony of waves, offers a tranquil backdrop for meditation or a leisurely siesta. Atrani's calming ambience, its golden beach cradled by a sun-drenched hillside, serves as a serene canvas for a quiet afternoon of reading or sketching. These beaches, their allure augmented by the paradoxical blend of excitement and tranquility, offer an escape into a world where the confines of time and routine fade into the cerulean blue of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Whether you are an adrenaline junkie or a tranquility seeker, Furore and Atrani are paradisiacal retreats that promise a respite from the world, a chance to exhale the mundane and inhale the extraordinary. The beaches of Furore and Atrani boast of panoramic views that captivate the soul, painting a vivid canvas of coastal beauty unrivaled. At Furore, the sights are as dramatic as they are enchanting. The vertiginous cliffs serve as a dramatic backdrop to the emerald sea, the sheer grandeur eliciting awe at each glance. Furore's nearby landmark, the Fior di Furore Bridge, commands an uninterrupted view of this natural spectacle. The surreal vista, where the elements convene in harmonious chaos, etches itself indelibly in one's memory. Atrani, in contrast, exudes an understated charm. Its landscape, an assortment of pastel-colored houses cascading down the hillside to the Mediterranean, is picture-perfect. The Campanile di San Salvatore and Collegiate di Santa Maria Maddalena, standing sentinel over the town, add to the allure. These beaches offer more than just sand and surf. They invite you to soak in a living portrait, a scenic symphony of nature and architecture intertwined. The Amalfi Coast and its hidden treasures of Furore and Atrani is a place that transcends time. It is a place where the past meets the present, where beauty converges with mystery, and where every moment becomes a memory to be cherished forever. So come, venture into this world of secrets and stories, and let yourself be captivated by the timeless allure of Furore and Atrani. So why wait? Plan your trip to the Amalfi Coast today and let its magic unfold before you. Explore the hidden corners, indulge in its offerings, and uncover its mysteries for yourself. The journey may end, but the memories will last a lifetime. Planning your visit to Furore and Atrani requires thoughtful consideration to ensure an optimal travel experience. The easiest way to reach these gems is by car, but keep in mind that narrow, winding roads may make for a challenging drive. Alternatively, the City Bus network provides regular services from major towns on the Amalfi Coast. As for the best time to visit, late spring May to June and early autumn September to October offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. When planning your day, it's advisable to arrive early, particularly at Furore, to secure a spot. For the thrill seekers intending to cliff dive at Furore, ensure you're aware of the tide times. Lastly, don't forget to pack your essentials, including sun protection, comfortable footwear for exploring, and a waterproof camera to capture those unforgettable moments. With these tips in mind, you're all set to embark on an adventure filled with beauty, culture, and relaxation. So go forth and discover the hidden wonders of Furore and Atrani, two gems that embody the essence of the Amalfi Coast in all its enchanting glory. The journey may not be easy, but it's undoubtedly worth it for the treasures that await you. Don't forget to carry the beauty of Furore and Atrani beyond their borders. Share your journey with the world and inspire others by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Travel Ventures YouTube channel. Each click helps us bring more hidden gems to the spotlight, and together we can uncover the world's untold stories. So join our community of explorers now. Every like, every share, and every subscription brings us closer to revealing another corner of the world's beauty. Remember, your next adventure is just a click away with Travel Ventures.